Hey guys, welcome to Restore Bin. My name is Kushal, and in this video we are going to see how to log in into YouTube app on Samsung Smart TV. So I already have my YouTube app here. I just open it, and right now if I navigate into this left side pane, I can see there is it's not sign in. I cannot see the library or the playlist that were subscriptions or the playlist I have. So in order to log in, what you need to do is you need to go into some of these icons, and where you can see the sign in option, just go and hit on that sign in. So once you hit on it, it will open this pane and it will check whether if there is any mobile which is connected to the same Wi-Fi network. If it's not there, then you can just click on try another way. So one way is YouTube will show automatically it will show what all Wi-Fi connections are already there, or the second thing what you can do is you can just access this youtube.com/activate, and there will be one dialog box which asks to enter the code, and you can enter this code to connect. So let me open that link on my mobile. So you can see here, so it's asking me to enter the code after entering that URL. So let me just enter that code. So I have entered the code. Now I will just tap on next. So it's asking me which account I want to choose. So I would choose the second option. And it's also asking which channel you want to log in. So I would just log in with this one and just allow the access. So once it is done, you will see this success message, as well as your account will be logged in. Now if you go to the left bar here, you can see your account is logged in with restorebin.com, which is my account. So in this way you can log in into your Google account. So you can add multiple accounts. Say if you have a family and you want to add your wife's or your brothers or sisters or parents account, you can just go click on add account and then follow the same procedure to add multiple accounts in the YouTube. One of the benefit of adding your account in YouTube on Samsung Smart TV is that whenever you turn on your TV and access the YouTube app, it will show you the option like who is watching YouTube. So if you have multiple accounts, like I mentioned, parents, like your family, friends, spouse, everyone, so you can just have number of accounts, and then you can select your own account and you can have your personalized video suggestions or recommendations. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Thanks guys. Cheers. Have a great day.